So we are continuing with the description of the body parts of the insects. We were with the head. So the head is the first portion of the body which has the eyes, the mouth parts and the antenna, which is the feelers. That is, it feels with the mouth parts are of different, for different insects it is different, because the food habits of the different insects are also different. For example, butterfly, honeybee, they suck the nectar, so their mouth part is of different type. Grasshoppers and others, they eat the leaves and the small other particles around, so their mouth part is of different type. With the feelers, that is the two antennas which are there in front in the head, with that they feel, hear, smell, taste and so on. With that they feel the surroundings, the dangers ahead, and they hear also with that, they smell also with that, they find their food, they find their ways to go, ways to come back. All these things they do with their feelers. Now the second portion of their body is the thorax. See here, the thorax is in the middle portion. It forms the middle part of the insect's body. The legs and the wings are attached to this thorax. The middle part of the insect's body, that is its stomach and everything, lies mostly there, and the abdomen. So the middle part of the insect's body is called the thorax. From outside we see the wings and the legs are attached to this middle part, that is the thorax. Abdomen is the last part or the third part. This is the last part of the insect's body. The thorax and the abdomen have spiracles through which the insects breathe. So the last part of the insect's body, that is the largest portion of the insect's body, is the abdomen, where it has the wings attached. The last pair of the legs are also attached to it, and the main thing is that part of the body is full of spiracles, small holes on the underside of the body, small holes which are called the spiracles. Through those holes the insect breathe. They don't have lungs separately as we have the nose and lungs. They do not have. They have the holes on the underside of their abdomen through which they breathe. So these form the three main parts of the body. Again I am repeating, the body part of the insect, it is very important. You have to practice drawing it, learn it up and thoroughly, and also the labeling of the diagram is also very important. Now children, turn to the next page. I'll just give you the introduction of the life cycle of insects. It says next page, page number 36, the many changes that take place in the life of a living thing forms its life cycle. Humans have the same body shape throughout their life, but the bodies of insects change completely as they grow. So from the birth of any insect, animal, human beings or any, from the birth till they grow old, lots of changes come in their life, and it is because of these lives, it is the life change in their life, it forms the life cycle. Human beings mostly have the same parts, but the other insects and animals, their parts, insects usually change their body parts, which is called their life cycle. Tomorrow we are going to study about the life cycle of the various insects.